I think I should move that. I'm gonna move that. Today, we're gonna be doing a demonstration on the IPL laser hair removal device. We're gonna open the box together. I'm very excited because I've been wanting to try this out for a very long time. So today, the device we're using is from Pink Zeo. They were kind enough to send me this product. I will link their website down below so that you guys can purchase this too. We're gonna open it together. Although I did get excited and I opened the first box. So it does come in 2 boxes. Okay, so holy fancy. Let's get into it. That's so fancy. Okay, let's get into it. The device, we've got the user manual, silky soft bag that we're gonna keep this in. This retails for $299, normally on sale right now for $219, so $80 off. This is what you get, and we've got more in here. We've got a charger, it looks like. That's just what I'm guessing. This is just my initial impressions, okay? Don't judge me. Glasses. Actually, these are so cool. And then we have a razor. Okay, so I've seen a couple of videos before in the past because, again, I've been wanting to try IPL laser hair removal for a very long time. I know vaguely that you're supposed to like shave before you use it. So let's read the instructions and see what it actually says. I found an important part to tell you guys. In the first few weeks following initial treatments, you will still see some hair growing. These are likely to be hairs that were missed during treatment. For example, they were lying dormant and not in their growth phase, which is anagen, when IPL is most effective. It is important to continue the weekly treatments. Immediately after you have completed the 12-week plan, you should see a significant reduction in hairs within the treated area. Any remaining hairs should be finer and lighter in color. So basically, if you keep using it, your hair will keep staying away. So let's get into how to use it. Light-based hair removal device should ideally be used on the small areas such as underarm, facial hair below the chin line, large areas such as the legs. So I am not going to use it anywhere above the face because it said in like a few different ethnicities it causes hair growth. So I'm half Filipino. I'm not going to do it anywhere above my face. I'm just not going to do it. Stay away. Before actual treatment, please refer to the recommended skin tone table. Conduct a skin test on a small area 24 hours in advance to check whether there will be any adverse reaction on the skin. Only if you feel comfortable, you can continue to reach the higher levels or the maximum, as increasing the level increases the risk of adverse effects. So my skin tone is... My skin rarely burns and tans with ease, so I'm gonna do type 4. I think I'm just gonna do my legs. So choose the comfortable level according to your skin tolerance and increase the level from 1 to 9 levels gradually. If there is not an unsuitable reaction, you can increase the level gradually. So it basically says treat each skin tone differently. So this area is like tan and this area is light. So let's say I had hair in this area of my body where it's tan and another area. I would use a lower level on the lighter area and like maybe a level higher. I'm gonna go shave this underarm area. Make sure it's super duper shaved, so that all of the hairs are as even as possible in their anagen phase, which is their growth phase. Make sure that all of these are as even as possible. We're gonna see how my body reacts. In 24 hours, we'll come back, and if I'm totally good, we're gonna do my armpits and my legs. And then we'll come back in 2 months and we'll see how we're doing. Okay, use your favorite shaving cream. Wipe it free of product. You don't want anything left. So that's on. So for my underarm, since it's just the palest area of my body, I'm gonna, like one of the palest, I'm gonna use the lowest level. And we're also just doing a patch test, so that's just what I'm gonna do on her. So you press it. It's on level 1, and the trigger button is right on this side here. Full contact with the skin. And 1, 2. Second side, 1, 2. I'm gonna turn it off by, you just hold it down. So before you use this device, make sure your arm is, or wherever this section you are going to be using it, is completely clean. So make sure you just clean it, however, whatever soap you use, make sure it's completely wiped down with warm water, nothing on it, completely free of product, and then you're gonna do it skin to skin contact. Right, it's not on, but right on it, you know. I'm gonna leave my armpit for 24 hours. I will be back tomorrow and make sure that I don't get any irritation. Hi. I haven't touched up my makeup, so don't mind me. It has been 24 hours. Nothing happened. Okay, when the light is on, that means it's fully plugged. Hold it down to turn it on, and you'll hear that sound. To manually do it, you want to click the button, and then to automatically do it, you hold this down, and then you'll see the automatic symbol. And once the actual device, this part, touches your skin and it has skin to skin contact or skin to device contact, the light will pulse automatically. You'll just keep moving along the area that you want to do. I like doing that setting, the automatic setting, if I'm just doing like my leg. I do have a $20 off coupon, so I will leave that down below. I will just put a little video here, a little clip of me using the device to show you how I use it. If you guys want to purchase this Pink Zeo laser hair removal device, I will put the link down below. I will again also leave my $20 off coupon so you guys can get $20 off your IPL laser hair removal device. Alright guys, that is my demonstration on the Pink Zeo device. Get yours at the link down below. Let me know what you guys think about it. I will come back in 2 months from now. Today is April 27th, so I'll come back in like end of June. I will come back with my updates about how it's been going. I'm going to use it once to twice daily. I'm not going to use it on my tattoos. Do not use it on your tattoos, okay? Just any skin that doesn't have tattoos and that does have hair that you want to get rid of. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and let me know if you have any questions or comments about today's device and video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.